internet is connected. Fire site is ready. Double click please.